Check this out. Deep in the snowy wilderness of British Columbia, a trail cam captured this rare footage of a wolf pack moving silently through the forest. Encounters like this remind us this land still belongs to them, even if we forget it. You can see how quiet it is. Not a sound, just the wind and the crunch of snow under their paws. They're not in a rush, not afraid just totally in sync, like they've done this 1,000 times. The way they move together, it's not random. Every step has a purpose.